I know exactly what's going to happen, guys. Some people think that this is a bear market, but they look like Wall Street people, and Wall Street is going to die. Don't look at Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a normal charts, because it's a lot different and it's influenced by a lot of other things. So, I sometimes you can make a lot of wrong decisions if you look the charts like Wall Street. So basically, what I think is going to happen is going to be very interesting if I'm right. I think that Bitcoin is going to $3,000 after the fork. Probably 1 week after the fork, everybody are going to start buying Bitcoin like crazy again. And I'm going to explain you. This is only my personal thoughts about things, but I'm going to explain you why Bitcoin went down a little bit and why it's going to get up again. So if you remember, a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, or Ethereum was threatening Bitcoin. We called it the flippening. So a lot of people lose their faith in Bitcoin. So that helped a little bit about the price of Bitcoin to go down, And we have all these decisions about the fork, if it's going to be, user activated or SegWit. So this also helped a little bit about the price of Bitcoin to go down. And the Bitcoin was very slow, and all this conversation between the miners. So I think what are we seeing right now? It's that some people from the big mining pools, from the big hedge funds and big investors, they want to buy Bitcoin cheap, because these mining pools, they have a lot of rich investors, a lot of billionaires who invested in mining. Bitflurry, Richard Branson is one of the people who are mining with Bitflurry. For example, Bitflurry is a big mining pool. So a lot of rich people who hold big amounts of Bitcoin, they can easily, get the price of the Bitcoin, down. Also, some of the people get scared and they sold a lot of Bitcoins. This helped a little bit about the price to go down. But basically, after the fork, I think Bitcoin will be very fast. The transactions will be very fast, and the transactions fee will be very low. So people are going to jump on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to shoot up to the sky again. And the miners and the big investors, they know this, so they'll try to buy cheap Bitcoins as much as they can. And I think that is what exactly is happening right now. Also, the Ethereum, Ethereum is also bringing the market down, because Ethereum is very powerful right now. Few months ago, the master was Bitcoin, but now Ethereum is also a big player. All these big ICOs, if they start withdrawing the money into fiat currency, into dollars, they can also bring the market down. So this is helping the so-called crash, So that's why a lot of people think this is a bear market. But I think after the fork, Bitcoin is going to $3,000 and more. Probably is going to surpass the $3,000 mark. We may see like $5,000 before the end, before the start 2018. We expect some big ICOs, of course, and probably Ethereum will go up a little. So my predictions are pretty optimistic, you know. I think that all of these coins that are down right now, I think they'll hit a new time highs after the fork. People will start to buying again like crazies, you know. So yeah, don't sell your coins. You know, some people in the comments told me that they lost a lot of money because the market is down, the prices are down, but you know, this is just temporarily. You're not going to lose your money if you don't sell your coins, you know. So it's going to be pretty interesting. If I'm right, I'm probably right. So how can you prepare? Wait for the best time to buy cheap coins, because around the fork, we can see these big fluctuations, you know. Bitcoin might go down more a little bit. You know, the worst case scenario for me is Bitcoin around $2,000. You know, this is probably the worst that can happen before the fork. And of course, everything can go down a little bit as well. So look at the market and decide when it's it's going to be a good time to buy cheap, you know. So this actually, this is not advice, because I might be wrong, so only listen to this like you know, it's not I'm not advising you, because I can be wrong, so just watch the market and, you know, make your own decisions. So I'm going to buy cheap before everything shoots to the sky again. I'm going to buy some Saya coin, some Stellar, some Red coin, some Moon coin. So yeah, guys, this is my prediction. I think we're not in a bear market, and the prices will go crazy again after the fork. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. If you think that we are really in the bear market or not. If you think that Bitcoin is going to crash after the fork, or if Bitcoin is going to $3,000 after the fork. Will be interesting to know your opinion. So yeah, I'm waiting for the moment when it's going to be cheap, and I'll try to buy a lot. So good luck with your investments. And if you want to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, remember that the most profitable thing is to start mining with Genesis, because, you know, mining is always more profitable. You can use my code, 3% discount code. This is one way to support me. And yeah, this is pretty much it. We can see what's going to happen, guys. You know, I may be wrong, I may be right. So yeah, I predicted that the market is going down, and I was right. So let's see my next prediction. I wish you have a fantastic day, and good luck. Don't remember to be patient, because, you know, before the fork we will see the prices going down probably again. So yeah, good luck and see you again. Bye.